No bottom wick on the 6 minute, dude.
Classic 6 minute. I don't think ES has a wick on the 5. Yeah. No wick ES.
We do a crazy
Why am I
close
putting-
back in after this, though.
Yeah, YM doesn't either.
Yeah. It could be my thick wick tech. Come on.
Yeah. I'm aware. Boo, boo, I say. Boo. Alright. See you guys at 10:30.
Yeah, that was a pretty good close, huh? Damn.
Ooh, I do have. It's okay. I do have an NFP model for such occasions.
What is
Just without stop loss. Or...
No stop loss. Just whatever you do.
No stop loss.
No stop loss. First rule of trading: never be wrong. The NFP model is just any. I mean, technically, SMT's near the wick highs. It just starts to exhaust out. It is not pointing out today at all. But if it does happen, then you target.
Yo, good morning, guys. Good morning, Rag.
Opposing wick, which
Good morning, Rag. Good morning, Talk. Yeah, we're very bullish.
Damn. Look at that.
There was a previous session low.
I
A
bet.
bit low.
We gotta check.
Yeah.
We gotta
Other than that,
check the Twitter. They made up.
I could
I'm
see
pretty
10:30 as a
sidelined,
thing
to be
because
honest.
that'll be the actual close of YM
there's a lot of candles with no wick. Like the news candle, no wick.
for
No
the
wick.
90-minute candle to close above
And then,
previous day
like,
high.
If you look at the 4 hour, there's no wick on the opening. So that's like the.
Yeah.
All you have to do is take the no context London SMT. I'll be retired.
I'm gonna go live. I'll catch you guys later.
I'll be listening, buddy.
See you,
Look,
Peace.
Peace.
it'll be tough to listen to UIM.
Damn, we is going, bro.
Oh, awesome. Jason's got 13 people in his thing.
It looks like
Oh,
we
he's
may get
live.
nothing.
Congratulations.
Was Jason able to catch it?
I will look at his screen and see if I can guess. Wait, Ethan's and Jason's? What's Ethan doing
Yeah, I
over
saw that too.
there? How many accounts does this kid have? I know he messages me all the time from his Ethan ICCCT and his other Ethans. That's all. That's all him.
I see GT, I see.
Mm-hmm.
Ethan, ICE. I see.
Mm-hmm. He's ice.
Wait a minute, it was just taking out yesterday's 12:45 no wick candle.
Yo.
Yeah,
On the
good
15
luck.
minute.
That's right. Alright, we're good then. Let's go.
I think we're clear now.
Actually, though, that's pretty interesting.
Desmond's in that another one too. Oh my.
Except even if it goes low, we have nothing to to base it off of. Nothing until 10:30 now, I guess.
Stuff.
looks like it, yeah. Yo, Kristoff's in here. What's up, man? Oh, he's in the text chat. Just after. Yeah.
I'm gonna go over with Ethan, guys. Have a great weekend.
Take care. Have a good weekend.
You too, Clyde. Take care.
Yeah,
Take
man.
care, Clyde. Have a good one, man.
Okay.
Hey, Clyde, what city in Mexico are you in?
Near Guadalajara.
Near Guadalajara. We couldn't remember
Yeah.
if it was Guadalajara or Guadalupe.
The actual name of the town is Ajijic. AJ.
Okay.
AJIJIC. It's one of the largest expat communities in Mexico with Canadians and Americans.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
Interesting.
Yep.
We'll check it out.
Okay, please do. Yeah, I own a boutique hotel, but we don't run it as a hotel. We just live in it.
Ah, I see. I see.
Oh, okay.
But I got plenty of rooms if anyone wants to come visit.
That sounds like
Okay,
an awesome.
we gotta-
sounds like a plan.
It's awesome,
We gotta,
man.
We gotta do a mentorship trip there. That would be sick.
Oh yeah, sounds
That'd
great.
be awesome.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, well let's talk about it more.
Yeah.
Sounds
Take
good.
Take care, man.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Bye.
Later,
Take
bye.
care.
Yeah, bye bye.
And now there's a no wick on the 5-minute high. Oh my goodness.
There's a bunch of no wicks everywhere.
No wicks everywhere. Ajijic. Jalisco.
Voilà, on a pris une grande base liquidity sur YM, mais pas sur IS ni NQ, donc c'est un peu chier.
Did YM end up creating previous day high? Oh, he did. Ah.
Yeah, baby.
They got some.
But no close.
Yeah. I mean, I guess there's a hidden closed, but there's nothing on the low
yep.
time frame to
Hidden
confirm.
closed.
I think today's gonna be even if there is a setup, it's gonna be really far in.
Maintenant, je dois attendre 16h30. Fuck. Oh, j'ai écrit mes émotions et tout. Alors,
And we wait some more.
Looks nice.
I mean, if it holds like this, it's low key like a swing idea. It's gonna be a 4 hour, 1 hour.
Yeah, yeah.
Not that I have any accounts I can swing, but
Yeah.
la confidence, non. Confluence.
We'd swing for our 1 hour for a short or what?
Yeah.
maybe.
Daily's also in your favor.
Yeah. Oh, whatever.
Il est opening la zone.
That's why I was more thinking the news will be push the price lower. But
Yeah,
the
I
daily
thought.
prices in team.
Yeah,
Lows.
I thought it would push up and then drop, and the drop has not happened.
Guess it's Elan's mistake.
And you'd have to trade against this high resistance news
I
gap.
thought it was gonna.
But at the same time, oh wait, it's about to be equities open. I didn't pay attention. Look, 8:30 felt like it was equities open.
Yeah, me neither. That's why
Oh wow.
as soon as the 5 minute got canceled, my brain turned off. I was like,
Yeah,
oh.
I truly didn't realize. I'll just give up.
I mean, it really doesn't matter for what I'm doing, but yeah.
Yeah, it really does not
There's a
matter.
lot all involved. Wait. Up or down?
Wait, guys, it looks like we're going nowhere. It looks like we're going to do nothing.
Pretty nice.
I can see it's chopping higher. We just gotta wait though.
There's 1 minute. There's 1 minute SMTs. Nope, there's not.
Oh.
I actually took a stab pre-news, and I was a little scared of slippage because I never usually do that. But the fill wasn't bad when it stopped me out, so
Okay.
I'm not mad.
Oh, what was your confluences?
Shorted pre-news? What was the trade idea for pre-news?
The trade idea for pre-news, I shorted. Yeah, there was a 15 minute on the highs, and just
I
like
saw it too.
Oh,
I
there
thought it
was.
yeah, and I was seeing ES trade into premium and YM trade into. I think it took the what's it called, the hidden SMT at the highs.
Hmm.
And so I was like, okay, I could just leave that gap for later.
Yeah.
The highs. So I was like, might as well take a stab, but I did like quarter risk.
Now there's 1 minute. What's happening?
But no 5. No 15.
Doesn't matter. Just
Just
the 1 minute
hour
SMT.
prevailing.
Here's it for him to just send it all. Send it all to the lows. $500.
$5 billion.
Where is the 5 minute lows?
I think YM. Now I think YM will take out the external. Wants to take it out.
It totally is, huh? It's going. Looking back 2 cycles, it could probably even take out the week before's highs.
It's taking out generational highs. Oh my goodness.
The market just goes straight up on a day, and people are like, I thought you guys traded. How did you not know to go long when it just goes up all day?
How it goes.
It might just be going either way.
happening?
But no SMT. I mean, there's 1 minute, but I don't want to do that.
You check the 3 minute?
I checked the 3
I
minute.
did.
How's the 3 minute looking?
I checked the 3 to the 6.
Yeah, what's good, Lords FX? Good morning, good morning.
Oh yeah, I can see your chart. I just remembered.
Like, if you're just going by liquidity, sales look good, but there's no SMT. No SMT.
I think 10:30 is gonna be the, if anything. I don't think.
Yeah, I gotta wait until 10:30.
Unless there's a 15-minute change in state delivery or something. But that, no, yeah, there's not even 15-minute SMTs.
What about 15-second SMTs?
Let's see, 15 seconds.
The answer is yes.
There's a 15
There's not
second
even
on
15
a
second
high
SMT.
and a low.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you ignore the one you don't want to pay attention to.
Oh wait,
The
you're
one that-
right.
You don't like one, you just look at the other.
It's going down.
Science.
True technical analysis.
You could get in 1 hour all the dailies.
Yeah. Lords FX says I'm longing by 10 after this 9 a.m. candle low. 9 a.m. candle low.
Alright, yeah, it's a solid
If it hits back
in the
down.
15-minute gap. Yeah, but I don't know how long the long's gonna be.
Good luck, soldier.
Yeah.
I think everyone is kind of on the same page, but like, it looks very bullish. But then at the same time, there's also like a bunch of no wicks resting below, and a bunch of sell side liquidity, pretty much.
Hoping 10:30 rescues us.
Save us 10:30. This 1 minute SMT needs to create a gap if it's gonna be solid. Or not.
This candle doesn't have a bottom wick. We can just enter off that.
At this point, yeah.
So obvious.
This is good. Chop till 10:30. Come on.
I want NFP to manipulate lower, but Margie just did its own thing, yeah. I mean, there's a previous session low too. What's at 10:30 that you guys are waiting for? 10:30 is, well, there's new 90-minute quarter. So, there could potentially be a 90-minute sequential SMT that we can frame the trade off of.
Would love that.
Okay. Aaron said, I'm in long, I'm fearless. Alright.
Good luck, Aaron.
Men of the sequence. Eli is their leader. What's that supposed to mean? What? Is this another Lord of the Rings reference?
And my axe.
In my axe.
SMT was nice, 1 minute.
Dude, you go for it.
Oh man.
You like sequential SMT too much. Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's what I base all my trades off of. That's how I frame my trades. Backtest it. It's
Il y avait
goated.
moins en bas, j'ai mis. Ouais, je pense que j'en ai un peu.
Goated with the sauce, especially if you have higher to lower time frame confidence. Stacked SMTs. 19 minutes for this hourly close.
Who's this Aaron in the stream?
Oh, Aaron guy, he's just don't worry about him.
You know him?
He no, I don't know him, but he trades off vibes pretty much.
Okay, nice. Good works, but
Yeah. Oh, that's why I'm the man of the sequence. Oh, I got it. That's Dave, man, not me. I'm just a user of his theory. All credits to Trader Day.
not too long before the news, but it was just very.
I'm the community degen gambler. Yeah. So just whatever Aaron does, just don't do that, and you'll be profitable. Pretty much.
Yeah, would you guys on NQ consider the 15-minute 6:30 and 6:45 candles in order block, and then a change of state of delivery at 8 a.m. where it closed above that? It just never closed below.
Yeah, but I was
below.
I was watching exactly the same, but I didn't took it because of the news.
Just wonder if
Need
I
this
would
was a
consider
thing.
that.
Wait, you
order
said
block.
6:30. What?
Yeah, those two red candles down.
6:30 and 6:40.
Yeah, 45 for the 15 minute.
Oh, I see.
But it doesn't
I mean,
It
close
doesn't.
close above until 8:30, right?
yeah, it doesn't close
Or
above
8
until
o'clock.
later.
8 o'clock. Oh, I mean the second one, yeah. So then 6:45 it closed above it.
Oh,
And
I
then
see.
tapped back in. But that candle never took liquidity or like closed below
Yeah, there's-
liquidity. But it did sweep
there's no
some
reason.
liquidity.
Exactly. There's no reason to think that. I mean, unless that's the SMT low, which it is.
Oh, true. Yeah,
That's
that's
just the SMT low on YM, so if you look at it like
Yeah,
this,
so that's
I-
the equivalent.
that's what it is then. Yeah.
I was looking exactly like this, but I didn't hook it. So
Well, that's why you
But yeah,
always
long.
take trades.
That's why you always take the first thing you see. How?
Yeah, it's like always take it.
I was watching that 15-minute candle form, and you see how it went low. I was like, all right, let's see if it closes there. But then at the very end of the 5-minute candle, it like kind of pushed back up.
Yo, Lords FX, I have no idea what you're saying. He said, how do y'all trade that degen, that thing? I weird. Okay, aneurysm reading that. SMT on YM is suicide to me.
Guess that's what he means. I guess he means using YM for SMT just doesn't work for him.
I see.
confluence.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
We're all men of the sequence, you know.
I guess previous month high, previous day high are both about to be taken. I guess. We're just
Yeah, I'm
permanently
about to,
bullish.
Yeah, I think I'm about to give up.
Fun.
Classic give up day.
Classic go to the gym early day. And it's crazy
Mhm.
profit. It's on crazy profits, am I right? Yeah, I guess so, bro.
I actually had a sneaky good week, so guess I'll just walk it in.
Yeah, I had a pretty decent week. I was supposed to be. I'm only up like 2R, but I should be up like 10R because I just like made a emotional decision, which is bad, but it's all good.
Yeah, I was emotional yesterday. I was like, oh, this sucks. Set me back a little bit.
Brick by brick.
Yeah. Finishing up 11R. Walk it in.
Damn.
Yo,
You is eating.
that is awesome.
Yeah, it's just, I mean, part of it was that, I want to say Tuesday long. I don't have it in front of me. But
A lot of McChickens. Another thing I had in mind last night though, Loki, is like all markets hit the discount of the 90-minute chart, and then just like went up. So I was like, oh, it's kind of. I just see it just explode.
no,
up.
I thought, I was thinking about that too, but I was just like, whatever, we're still going to revisit this, like, open.
There's so many note wicks on the bottom. I think next week, maybe start next week, maybe get a freaking fat drop.
I mean, yeah, I mean, you have like the Tuesday low and this open low today are almost equal lows on NQ, equal enough anyway.
Oh, it's CPI PPI next week.
That's a target.
CPI PPI next week.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, boys, that's it for me. Y'all have a good weekend.
Yeah, take care, Keith.
Alright, dude.
I'll see you on Monday.
Alright,
Yeah,
see you,
take care.
Keith.
Peace, peace. Lord's FX. I haven't taken a trade all week. Ain't gonna lie. Yo, that's good. I mean, if your model hasn't shown, that's good. Like, bro is master discipline. Bro is opposite of Aaron. He's mastering self. Or you just haven't been on the charts, or like, what? I mean, if your model hasn't shown. Some people have, like, the model Ethan and I used to trade would pop up, like, maybe twice a week. Max, maybe 3 times a week, if it's a really good week. But then it'd be, like, fat trades. You know?
That's sick.
Yeah. But we kind of switched styles, and now we kind of technically have models like almost every day, but it's just like how our discernment is a big part of it. There's no wicks everywhere. What time is it? Oh, it's not even... I'll stream until like maybe 11 today. Push it a bit later. Because I guess we're all waiting for that new 90-minute cycle.
I know.
This is brutal.
It's kind of just going too high, but it could just be.
Aaron stopped out in profits. Lambos by July. Eli ASMR's on another level. Yeah, so I need to. I still haven't not put the audio thing. Wait, let me look through this stuff. Let me figure it. Wait, we have so much time now. I plan to try to put the audio filter on. That Jake recommended.
Oh, did you try it out?
Not yet. But I do want to try it. I actually heard about Crisp,
Trying the NVIDIA
but I
one?
also don't want to pay.
I know. That's probably the easiest route. Yeah, you gotta pay.
Broadcast app. Broadcast app transfer in your room in studio. Sure. I hope it's free. RTX voice. Real-time noise suppression using RTX GPUs. Wait, I don't think. Wait, you have to have a 30 series or higher. That's it, right? I have 3060. I think that's fine.
Yeah, you have to download. You download the broadcast.
Yeah, I'm on the cusp. Extremely powerful if you have the hardware. Is my card even RTX? Is any 30 series higher RTX?
I don't know. I think it's specifically labeled that, but I do think
Oh, I am RTX.
you
Oh,
are most likely, yeah,
Yeah,
most
okay.
likely to be RTX.
yeah. Okay, we're lit.
Yeah, broadcast is fire. It's good.
I wonder how Ethan feels with his CLA. Oh yeah, it's pretty nice. Leave the ASMR, we love it. All right, Lords FX, I got you. I think I will eventually put like a little bit of a filter on it, but like I'll leave it a little less heavy so then you can hear the ASMR still, just for you, man. I wonder how Ethan feels with the CLA. Yeah, I'm sure he's enjoying it a lot. I got to drive it too. It was pretty fun. It's a nice new toy. I didn't redline it though, out of respect, but I did want to. I will tell you that. But yeah, it handles nice. It's to buy mine that remains. I like that car. Yeah, the CLA is nice. And they have a deal right now that you can finance or like lease it with like 2.99%, I think, in Canada at least, which is like pretty dang low for financing. But I'm not interested. I already have a car. Actually, I bought a car this year, so. But the car I bought is not like those like lifestyle trader flexes. I mean, to me it's actually a flex. I like it. And also the fact that I was 22 when I bought it was kind of crazy. It's a 2013 RAV4. But it's gonna last me forever. Yes, sir. Those things are awesome though. They're gonna last it's gonna last me forever. So it's a Lambo you bought. Don't lie. Nah. I wish. Actually, I don't know if I wish. I'm in Canada. Honestly, sports cars are like, unless you have like a really stupid amount of disposable money, it's like you can only drive it for like 6 months, or even less, and the snow comes and then you're done.
Yeah, I'm all about the bigger vehicles, and RAV4 is actually like kind of a bigger crossover.
Yeah, it's sweet. I think eventually though, like, I mean, I'm already consistent, but as I can like continue to be more consistent and just with more patience and time, I'd love to trade in my RAV4 for like a Porsche SUV.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna stick with big cars. They're kind of nice.
Same.
Yeah. Yeah, big cars are it. And like you can like this year I like moved a bunch of stuff. Like I was moving from school and stuff. I can fit a whole mattress in my car. Like it's kind of sweet.
Yeah. Exactly.
jump back and long. We not scared of the markets. The market's scared of us. Good luck, Aaron. I said, like I said, big cars, Urus. Yeah, I mean, Urus is actually pretty cool too. There's a couple of Urus, like quite a bit of Urus. People drive Urus here. And it's actually pretty good for winter too. Urus is not bad. But I would also consider the, actually, I don't know. Maybe I do. Like, if I had that kind of disposable, then maybe. But like, RSQ8 would make more sense. RSQ8 is like literally the same engine as the Urus, but like a third of the price. So, I can't be too silly. Aaron, you're a bloody risk taker. I wouldn't call it risk taker, I call it gambling. I hope it doesn't flip yet, but I hope it flips at 9:30. We'll see. Gambling, exactly. Yeah. I mean, if Aaron's porting this and he has a tight stop, he's probably getting cooked right now. I hope not, though. I hope this reverses for you, Aaron, but actually, I kind of don't. I hope you can learn. I hope you get a lesson out of this. More than anything. That's more valuable than a little bit of profit. Bro's mental health is immune to heartbreaks. Yeah. This was the 1 minute SMT that was needed, I guess.
Don't freaking go yet.
Chill out, please. No, I don't mind being done for the day. Down 1R and then I just be green on the week and just leave. Aaron, do you copy? How are you doing right now? Aaron, report back to us, bro. Don't die on us. That's funny. The last thing he said in chat was, jumped back and along, we not scared of the markets. And then just dumps. Oh. Oh. Yeah. If you guys are enjoying, make sure to smack the like button. Subscribe. I'm live every day. I do want to create more content eventually, but for now I'm chilling. I think I'm gonna create like some shorts and some. I also need to start doing like cam streams. Wait, that sounds wrong. I need to start doing some streams with video cam on, with a webcam on.
You have my attention.
Hey yo. Yeah, bro. Yo, Rag, chill. I'm about to out your real name again, your government name again, bro. Don't even play. I only took 1 micro because of my previous win. Small loss. A risk management. At least bro's got risk management. No model, but has risk management. No doubt. Great work and energy here. Thank you, Johnson. Oh, wait, I don't think I've seen you here, Johnson. Or did you change your YouTube name? Well, welcome. If you're new here, welcome. By the way, I'm not talking too much about the markets and stuff because there's nothing to talk about. It's just this morning, previous session low, SMT boosting higher. All markets hit discount. Looks good to go higher, but on its way up, it created a bunch of sell side liquidity, including no wick candles on the lows, which is considered sell side liquidity to me as well. So, Aaron the Gambler sounds like a comic hero name. I'm not sure if that's a hero, bro. More like maybe a villain. I usually join via live alert on Ethan's Discord server. Oh, okay, okay. Awesome, awesome. Well, welcome. How are you guys feeling in the call, guys? Bored? Jake,
Yeah.
David? Yeah.
Just chilling.
Just chilling, yeah.
I was thinking maybe we could go lower, but this 5 minute is closing.
No
Not
SMTs,
the
bro.
way
This is
I
what
want
happens
it.
when you don't have SMTs.
This is just
Look
a
at
trap.
this. Yeah, it's a trap. It's a trap with the SMTs. It makes
We
things
literally just closed above this fucking 5 minute gap.
I wait for the next quarter.
Everything Eris says, I just keep doing the opposite. It's so funny. Love and appreciate the sound. I want to join the community. Yeah, just keep joining the lives. I don't really have like a Discord community or anything, but here we come by. And it says we're bearish to hit this 5 minute fair value gap that continue higher. I'm calling it. I called it yesterday. And the sidekick should be my name. Well, it hasn't hit any 5 minute gaps, or unless you're talking this one. But this one it went deep in, so I don't know. I think it's giving us a chance to enter. Not gonna lie. Please share a guide for me to join. There's nothing to join right now. Maybe one day. Maybe I'll create a Discord one day. But maybe with Ethan. Because Ethan's been thinking about creating... actually, no. I don't know what he's thinking, to be honest. This guy kind of comes up with new ideas every day, so... Yeah. I mean, you can just subscribe and put the bell notification on, and then you can... I mean, you technically be a part of this, like, stream community, I guess. But I don't really have an official community. How can I join Ethan? Well, he doesn't really have... He just has that public one. The private one is... You could apply for it. Here, let me give you the link, actually. You could apply for it, but... he's not, like, taking in a wave of students right now. How do you find the link? Maybe it's in his link tree. I should just ask Ethan. I completely forgot I was downloading the video thing. Rebroadcast. Yeah, so he has a private mentorship, but it's doesn't excite people that often. Do you want to continue? Yes. No, please give us an entry first. I'm still looking lower. Yeah, it's macro time. The second we get momentum, I'm market longing. Okay. Go look, Aaron. I'm still looking lower. Yeah, there's just so much sell side. That's what we're all looking at. The 1 hour gap is where I want to go long. I see. No FOMOs, even if we're looking lower, though. Tempting, though. I can't lie. Like, I can feel the temptation, but... I'd rather build the good habits. Let me close NVIDIA. There we go. Download it later. No FOMOs at all. That's against the sequence. Exactly. Are we just gonna call it the sequence now? Sequential SMTs. Anything that's against the sequence. guys, by the way. Oh, guys in the Discord. If it's annoying, I can just mute. By the way, just let me know.
No, not at all. You're good.
Oh, it's good.
All right, cool.
I like this the way more that we can talk and listen to everything.
Yeah.
I like
While
this.
Or
the
just-
other people here.
There's just nothing to do yet
Yeah.
for me, so I'm just doing other stuff.
Yeah, same.
Me too.
Order of the Sequence. That sounds like. Oh, that's gotta be a Star Wars reference, no? Order of the Sith.
the Phoenix.
Oh, is it Order
Yeah.
of the
Oh, yeah.
Phoenix? Or is it Order of the Sith? I don't remember.
It might be Harry Potter, like Order of the Phoenix.
Oh yeah, I think that sounds more like Harry Potter. I think there's something called the Order of the Sith. No, I swear.
There is,
Yeah, yeah,
totally
okay.
with Star Wars too, yeah.
Bro, the old Star Wars was so good. And now
Yeah.
it's like kind of okay. I watched Ahsoka recently.
Cool fan.
That was okay. I don't think I finished it. Mandalorian was pretty okay. Mandalorian.
I never watched that either. I watched an episode and liked it, but then never kept going.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. I think the old Star Wars was able to like. Maybe I was like young, but like it made it look like it's like a whole world, right? Instead of like a whole story, and then like things to tie together. But then the new Star Wars is like it's just a single story on a single person, like a single story on a single person.
Disney
Sure.
Star Wars is ass.
Yeah, actually.
Make Star Wars great again.
I think it's impossible, but I would like to see them try at least. Like Anakin and stuff, like the old. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I hate the new Star
That
Wars.
was
They did the black eye foul. I thought he was going to be a Jedi.
I know. I thought he was going to become a Jedi, and then they just like totally just made him a non-character.
Yeah. And it says they made him a simp.
Yeah, that's so whack.
I was a kid when the prequels came out,
Mm-hmm.
and I know everybody hates on the first, like the chronological first one with Jar Jar Binks,
Mhm.
but I freaking love that one with the pod racers.
Every
It's the
kid loved
best.
episode 1. It's just the
Yeah.
adults didn't like it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay, let's
pod
see all
racers
the
were awesome. Qui-Gon Jinn was awesome.
Star Wars movie series watch a guide. Let's see. Star Wars: A New
I
Hope,
remember-
1977. Damn, 1977. Yeesh.
Yeah, dude.
I remember Burger King had hecka collectibles for the
Yeah.
Phantom Menace.
Yeah,
And
I remember.
I don't like going to Burger King, but I wanted to go there just to collect all the collectibles.
Oh, yeah. Wait,
Or
hold
at
up.
least I convinced my parents.
Yeah.
I don't think I've watched
Or you know.
A New Hope, which is kind of crazy. Yeah, I don't think I've watched. A
Oh,
New Hope.
dude, come
Oh,
on.
But
You
I
haven't
watched-
seen the old 70s Star Wars?
I started the 80s. I watched Empire Strikes Back. I know that for sure. And
Well, you started at Empire Strikes Back. That's just an incredible one. But man, to start there, that's a lot.
that actually makes sense. And then Return of the Jedi. I remember this. Okay, yeah, I remember. I used to go to my
Return of the
neighbor's house and
Jedi
watch
is
it in his
a great one.
basement. So fire. Yeah, I remember this. Honestly, for its time, it was actually. I mean, even now it's still incredible, but for its time too, pretty incredible.
Yeah, you created this immersive world. It was freaking.
I remember Clone Wars too. Clone Wars was. Oh no, this. I was telling you the sequence you should watch it. And Clone Wars is just an animated series. Ooh, I'm not watching that.
Well, Clone Wars is actually pretty good.
Really?
Yeah, I heard it. The
Yeah.
animated series you're talking about?
I think I
Or
watched
the
like
movie?
2 animated series. 2008. Oh no, it's a movie.
It's like the only
What's
good
up?
modern Star Wars. This is the Clone Wars.
There's a movie and a series actually. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
and Rogue One. Rogue One was a good movie too, actually.
Yeah, I
Rogue
liked
One.
Rogue One. Yeah.
Oh, I actually haven't watched Tales of the Empire Acolyte Skeleton Crew. What is that? Tales of the Underworld? What's that?
The Skeleton Crew is a very weird Star Wars show. I mean, it's not bad. It just plays like an old 80s like kids movie. So if you could appreciate it if you like grew up watching like old 80s movies, like The Goonies, because it gives off that kind of vibe.
Oh, okay. Oh, so many things came out since Because I thought Mandalorian was kind of new to me, but that's already been 6 years. My goodness. Row. Oh, this is the chronological order. Oh, if you were to do chronological, Acolyte's the oldest. The Acolyte 2024. The Acolyte apparently.
I thought Ahsoka would be the oldest. No, Acolyte is based in damn. I have all this lore memorized and I can't remember all the terms for it
For the
anymore.
Rise of the Empire, apparently.
No, it's before the new it's the Old Republic. So like the prequels were the New Republic. That's the Old Republic. So it was a different government back then. So I think it was like a couple hundred years before Episode 1.
Oh, okay, I see.
I think the fights in the Acolyte were really cool. Like it really gave off like the old school, like how Episode 1, 2, and 3 were. Like those fights were the lightsaber fights. But I think the writing was kind of lacking.
That's right. Aaron said it's longing time, boys, as it displaces lower.
Long.
Yeah, and then he said don't long.
10:30's almost here. Come on. Alright, we created, also on the 5-minute, we created a swing low inside of an RDRB. I'm kind of looking at that level just in general.
We also have previous day high, previous month high, by the way. But, you know.
Sweet.
So, like
What's
a
the
5-minute,
90 look like?
5-minute is kind of enough for me to get into something. 5-minute changes there or something.
Yep.
Or it just goes.
Were you considering the change of state at the 9:35 candle or
35
9:35?
on the 5-minute?
Yeah.
Oh, like to go upwards? To go long?
No, like if we close below that, or are you thinking?
Oh, I'm
even-
thinking like. I'm thinking to wait for the. I'm not even thinking about that. I'm thinking about waiting for at least the
Yeah,
5-minute first because I don't even know if the
Same.
5-minute's gonna form yet.
Because
Yeah,
when you were
wait.
saying 5-minute change of state and delivery, I was like, okay, well that's my current like decent one that I see.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
But then gotta get that 5-minute SMT at 10:30. Come on.
All right, back to Star Wars stuff. Man,
It's tough. Still looks super bullish on the like 1 hour.
kind of not related because it's not universal, but I want to go to I'm probably gonna go back to Japan. Like after this Japan trip, I'm gonna go back to Japan in like August, and then also in October, I think. But I want to go to Universal.
In Japan?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Because
I've been wanting to go to the one in Orlando.
I do want to go to the
That
one in
was,
Orlando too.
That's right, like that was I was like 45 minutes away from the parks. We would go sometimes.
That's
But
sweet.
yeah, that's a fun one.
Yeah, there's like Nintendo World in the Japan one.
That's pretty sweet.
Do you speak
Oh,
Japan?
it's like
No.
that in the LA one as well.
Oh really?
It's actually pretty neat. I went to it last year.
Yeah.
It looks really cool. It's just the lines there are insane.
I think that's gonna be anyone though, to be honest, no matter where you are in the world.
Yeah.
But no, it was really cool though. It was really cool.
Yeah. Oh man. I'm not sure. I think is it the Florida one that has the Harry Potter world, or is that like all of them?
Yeah.
Both of them do, but the one in Orlando is way bigger.
It's that's a fun one.
Yeah, I won't go to Harry Potter World, bro.
It's a good time for sure. It is. It's fun.
Yeah, my ex got me into like a bit more Harry Potter. Like I literally never watched Harry Potter. Like I know of it, and then I started dating my ex, and then I binged all of it in like a week, and it was good. I can't
Dude,
lie.
that literally was
Oh.
me at your age, I think. Like, I think I was 20, I think I was 22, 23 when I finally gave in. All right, I'll watch it. And it was whenever the, what movie?
Order of
Half-Blood
Phoenix.
Prince
Oh,
came
Half-Blood
out.
Prince.
Yeah. And then I just watched them all, and then watched that one in theaters.
It was good. I liked it.
It's too good, dude. It is too good.
I think when I was younger, I didn't watch it because I was kind of low-key scared.
Yeah. It's the
It's
later
scary.
movies especially, yeah.
Yeah, with like the
Yeah, it
the
gets way
voices.
darker.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Like the wraiths
Dude,
and
the
the
Dementors.
ghosts. Yeah. Oh
The
no.
Dementor things, yeah.
The books are like super dark. It gets really fucked up.
Oh
Yeah.
damn. People were like, the books are actually different from the movies. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's just more content in the book.
Yeah. Yeah.
But for the most part, it's overall the same. There's just more lore. Like in the Goblet of Fire, there was like way more interesting things happening when they were doing the Tri-Wizard tournament.
Oh, true. Oh yeah, I remember. You guys watched the finals last night? What do you mean the finals? The finals for what? Is there the finals?
Basketball?
The finals of what?
Was it basketball? Was there finals on? Was it last night? No.
I don't know. Aaron just asked that.
Game one.
All right, guys. 14 more minutes. NBA. Oh, I did not watch
Yeah, that's what I figured.
NBA.
Dude, Pacers 111, Thunder 110. Holy crap, that must have been a crazy game.
Did you see the scores? Oh, I see.
I totally missed it though.
Pascal is on the Pacers? I'm a bandwagoner. I don't keep up with sports unless it's something.
I know this year I was lacking with my teams. All consumed with SMT.
Yeah. Well, I think how good actually. Like if YM can go first, take front running, and I start front running, and then
Yeah, looking like some decent action. Just weird to short this. Like it's in a deep retracement past the gaps. On the 1 hour.
Yeah, whenever we try to retrace down, it keeps getting bought up really quickly.
And like what we're wanting is the daily candle to flip, and like look at the daily candle. I guess we could take it to the session because literally none of the like Asia low didn't get. Oh yeah, it did. Never mind. There was SMT there. That was the play. That was the play. If there was more of a rejection off of that FVG, I'd be way more excited about 1030. More of a rejection on the 1 hour. I guess there is on the BPR, if we mark out the BPR. It's rejecting off that level, so that's not bad, actually. Alright, I'll send it again. Pretty clean rejection off of that BPR, actually. Alright, 1030. Do your magic.
Loki don't even want to take another bullet at this point. Next week's CPI, I feel like Monday's gonna be good. I've been doing good on Mondays for some reason. Mondays have just been nice.
I know, these are sweet. I used to not think about Mondays a lot because, like, ICT, just thinking about the weekly cycle, but I think with how we read SMTs, it still, like, works really well. Friday's the tougher one.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, Fridays are looking like this right now. Give me a second, I'll be right back.
Same here, Christoph. Fridays are truly my worst day. I don't know why I keep trading them. I'm like, come on, please. I don't know why. Like, it's like a dream that people have Friday off in their job anyway, and we are clearly, and clearly we do not need Friday to be profitable. So what is twisted in our brains to trade Friday? I like.
All right, Aaron says.
Addicted to the charts, bro.
Aaron says, I'm in long in drawdown. Damn.
Yeah, I feel you, dude.
No, we don't feel you. We do not feel you. We do not feel you, Aaron, because we didn't FOMO into this.
I was just trying to be nice.
No, you can't let that slide. Building bad habits, you know? But no.
It is a crazy
Jake's
place
too
to
nice.
long, though. Holy crap.
Jake's too nice. Jake's too nice.
Longing in a premium, like...
Yeah, after previous day
everything's
highs were taken.
Yeah.
Previous month highs taken.
Like... Not a likely trade.
Yeah, that's
but
what I'm saying, Rag.
You could score, but that ultimately changes your psyche to want to do that more, to where you'll round trip that long term for sure.
Yeah,
You'll lose more money doing this than making money.
Jake is speaking the truth, but I bet you're blocking that out.
Yeah. We all have to
Yeah.
feel it. You got to put your hand on the burner. How many times do we have to put our hand on the burner?
You either listen to Jake or you get to experience it firsthand. Aaron, are you a troll? That's what I'd be asking sometimes too, bro.
I think he's just a troll.
Yeah, just know I appreciate it, sure.
I'm in the trenches. Oh shit.
I'm in the trenches, I ain't scared of the markets. Alright, bro. What is the change of state? This was not even a change of state. Oh, Aaron's getting cooked. I'm sorry, Aaron. I don't mean to laugh at you.
We're laughing
Bro,
with
when did-
you.
We're laughing with you.
Aaron,
In the
Aaron,
game.
when did you long? What price did you get in?
Yeah,
I think he liked the gap being respected by the doji candle.
No
on
way.
the 5 minute.
An OG candle.
No, it wasn't a doji, but yeah, it wasn't a nice displacement.
I will say, if this closes below, I do like this change of state and the rejection down, but I still have SMT, so I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, I still like that area to look at though,
Yeah,
where
10.
it's like trading right now. Do you see the RDRB on the 5 minute with the swing point in it?
Oh, I see.
The 935 candle
Yeah.
basically. Yeah.
Oh, here you go, Aaron. I do see that. I think we can get a little stab higher before we go lower. But
Yeah. The what sucks is on the 1 hour it's like creating this beautiful like it could just go into the gap on the 1 hour. We could just go to the lows and then hesitate or launch up. But I don't know. I like our confluences on the highs. But
Yeah.
it's Friday.
It's Friday. Yippee.
I don't see this daily candle flipping for me.
I see his daily candle. And also fat. Oh, and the daily doesn't have a wick or low too, right? Is that what you're
I
saying?
know.
Daily, 4 hour, 15, 5. Yikes. Alright,
Next week, we bearish next week. We're getting that. We're getting that no bottom wick.
Yeah, it's eating all that. Yo, 5 minutes left. 5,
Dude.
4, 3,
That's not how minutes work.
3, 2. Happy New Year. Did you pass before? I've gone one payout trading this way, so I'm going back to keeping it simple. Is it really simple, or is it making it more complicated, the fact that you have no solid model you're following? Because then you're just entering on different things every single time. What's it called? Is it food for thought? Is it the saying?
Mm-hmm.
Dun, dun. No, Aaron! Hold the lines! Aaron, move the market
Yeah,
higher. Aaron, move the market higher.
I'm not in yet. We're waiting. Come on. But it's probably just gonna go on with
Here.
it. No.
Though I do not endorse what you're doing, Aaron, I'll put a magnet for you. Just cause you come to the streams. I got you, bro. Put a magnet.
Is he still long?
I think so.
Well, I kind of want his long to play out on
Yes,
at least one of the charts.
Yeah, yeah. Me too. I do want your long to play out so I can take it short.
Yeah.
I got you. I'm hitting it with the hammer up. Boom, 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 boom.
Blow, 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 blow.
I have 100% win rate in February. I got top server seats. But I got stopped out, I see. I mean, you always go break even really quick, right? Or fairly quickly. I mean, if it works, I guess. If it is a model. Boom, boom, boom.
I'm not happy with the way I do break even right now. I still want to like tweak it and figure it out a little better.
Yeah, for sure. That's fair. Yeah, I want to use it more, actually. I've been stopped out. Oh, okay. Boom, boom, boom.
Sorry.
It's hard. It's like, do I want to be more aggressive and get smaller wins, like aggressive with my BE, but like be able to get into positions more often? Or do I want to catch the bigger move and then sometimes with being aggressive? I don't know. It just seems like more of an upside to just be aggressive-ish with the break even.
And with the way we trade, if it's gonna go, like, it might respect, like, whatever. If you just change in state, it might respect the order block once or twice, but after that, you should want to see it, not revisit it ever again. So.
Do you trail like 5-minute order blocks or something, or do you do 15-minute?
I do 5 minute, but I usually, like, it depends on market conditions. If it's one of those like super choppy longs, I do like I pretty much do like 2 change in state or 2 order blocks before.
Solid, yeah.
Yeah.
Just because it could wick you out, and then your idea
Exactly.
was still valid, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Those like super choppy longs, those are the ones that I like to do it on. Yo, man.
Yo, what's happening? Come on, not yet. What the heck?
What the freak?
Well, that's
man?
fine because we could go back into this area while YM takes out the highs.
I'm gonna trade ES.
Come on, you doing it? Go, go, go.
No, not yet. I'm gonna wait for SMT. I'm not that tempting. I will say, very tempting, but I'm good.
I know it is tempting.
Oh, Aaron's speaking in third person now. At 10:50 market is going higher. Aaron called it, and I'm full porting. So when you see it go higher, just know Aaron is in. I love how you're talking third person. I'm sorry, Aaron. The magnet and the camera didn't work. I apologize. I wanted it to work, man. Just trust me. I wanted it to work. Oh, wait. Let me put the hammer in the back.
All right. Soup in the lows. Come on, take the highs, and then.
Okay, I got you.
Honestly, I want NQ to kind of stay here and create a gap in resistance there, while YM or somebody takes the highs.
I'm working hard at it.
The weaker asset.
Hey, if there's nothing, there's nothing. Is there a funnier emoji I can use? Yeah, I got this. Side down here. This is a professional technical analysis. Happy up here. And then we'll put, what else do we got? What else do we got going? We'll put some arrows that direction. Just to give me the SMT at least, right? And then
Okay, the hour's looking better than what it was, so I'm digging this rejection off of that balanced price range on the hour.
all right,
This
guys.
is nice.
I finished my technical analysis. It's going higher to create a 5-minute SMT, and then we'll have an entry. Technical analysis done. Stream over. Unless this just creates a 5-minute on the lows to go higher. At 1050? Oh my goodness.
Yikes. Yeah, I mean, then it has support from its 15-minute SMT on the lows.
Yeah.
And then another entry. Dang it. That would be a model.
Gosh diddly darn. Guys, we're gonna be here all day.
Yeah.
It's getting kind of infuriating.
Come on, YM, make the push.
Actually, this 15-minute closure looks pretty decent.
Yeah, there's no 15 on the. Nice. Or 5 even.
Am I bullish? I think overall I'm bullish, but I'd like to see some sell side taken. Because there's just so much sell side. Like, we already took out previous month high, right? We took out previous day high, right? Except for on in Q, right? Creating SMTs. And then there's no wicks at the bottoms of 5-minute candles, 15-minute candles, 1-hour candles, 4-hour candles, daily candle. And a bunch of just sell side liquidity. So I'll like, it could still chop higher, but like I'd like to see it take it either today or early next week, something like that. I'll have to see. I'll have to see. 5-minute precision gap?
Alright. I see that.
Still nothing to take a trade off of, though.
I know. Not even 1 minute.
I should start putting on like Subway Surfers or something in the background. At this point, you need a viewership retention with how slow these markets are moving.
There we go.
There we go.
Come on.
Wait, and oh no, there is a wick on this 5-minute.
See it invert that area. Kinda, I guess. That means NQ might take the highs.
I wouldn't mind that.
Yeah.
NQ take the highs and. Yo, Jay, can you program your sequence adjustment thing to do 90-minute cycles? Or not 90-minute cycles, like the 90-minute chart. Like it's pretty much daily.
It is.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
Yeah, it shows up if you hit the 90-minute chart.
I did the secret time frames.
Do I have a setting wrong?
The old copy and you've never refreshed TradingView?
Oh, experimental quarterly cycle daily chart, is that it?
You shouldn't have to change any of the settings to see it.
Whoa, I think you have a really old one. Delete it and get it again.
Oh, I mean, I think I need a link though if I delete it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I can just click on your account, right? Actually, I don't know how that works. Global Jake. Trader Global Jake.
You could.
Uh,
It's in. Let me get it from the chat. I think it's in somewhere. I should have this as a better thing. I'll just give you this
new link.
This link, and then.
All right, let me delete this. Delete. Indicators.
That's that. And then just click the link from there.
Awesome.
It's in my profile. Tell me if that works. I can send you the direct link if it doesn't.
I think I got it.
Okay. Do you want my you look at precision candles, right?
Yeah.
Do you want my precision candle indicator?
Wait, give me a sec.
You have a precision candle indicator?
Yeah, you want it? Just by myself.
I can check it out.
Oh yeah, you don't have to use it. It just puts a dot. So like it makes it easier for my eyes to not have to check. It just puts a dot at the bottom of the chart to just see like everywhere there's dots, it's a precision candle.
Okay, I think I have it now. Leave. Oh, lit. Thank you.
Dang, so you just had an old one?
Yeah, I had like the first version. Or not
No
the first.
way.
I'm entering long soon my last trade. Okay. Is that a paid indicator? It's not a paid indicator, but I'd highly recommend supporting Jake in his endeavors because he puts a lot of time and effort into it. Do you want me to share it or you don't?
Thanks for the shout out. Yeah, feel free to throw that if you want to throw that link.
I'm back.
Buy me
Here
coffee.
you go. I got you right.
What's up, Ethan?
My headphones are off.
But I would highly recommend supporting him.
Turn them back
A lot
on.
of time and effort put into it. It makes trading a lot easier. I mean,
Okay, I'm back.
it's just a little like I wouldn't say only rely on it, but it does make it a lot easier. And you could technically only rely on it too. I look-y do sometimes, but
Good for back testing a lot too. But
I gotta keep drawing things out. You can easily tell if it's hidden or wick to body or wick to wig, so it's pretty clean. So.
all right,
There we
come
go.
on. Come on.
And then it just invalidates on all markets, and then it drops later, and then it will still drop later. Watch this.
No. Get out of here. Get out of here. It's respecting that 1 hour BPR. Give us the 5-minute SMT.
It's just
At the
how
highs,
it be.
come on.
Oof.
Ethan, how was the stream?
It was pretty good. There's nothing to do. I just ended up. It was more of like a teaching stream than anything, because there's no setups.
Yeah.
People are just asking me how I like to draw my dealing ranges the entire stream, pretty much.
I see.
And then some stuff about like risk management. That's about it.
Do you still fully do only two stabs?
Yep.
Yeah. I was lax on that, and I think it only bit me in the ass.
Mhm.
Um,
Yeah, just looking at my historical data, it's like 2 trades per day is just any more than
it
that.
just saves
It's like,
you from your it saves you from your bad, like, it has to go to that level, but
Yeah, exactly.
it can, but maybe it'll take you out first.
Yeah, exactly.
Wait, guys, I hit 1,000 total views.
Let's go.
We made it. We made it.
Let's go.
Wow, I don't need a
Here, I'll
job
give you another one.
anymore. I don't need a job anymore.
I'll give you another one in there. I'm gonna go like it. Yo.
Yes, sir. Thank you, thank you.
It's 23 Antrax present, right?
Ethan, I said I was a student of yours, and they laughed at me, bro.
Hey, is that Aaron saying that?
Yeah. Oh, that's
Yeah.
so funny.
Oh.
Oh, you gotta look back at yesterday's stream. Oh, that's so funny. Aaron snitching. Don't tell the dean, bro. Chill. Thanks for the link. Yeah, no worries, right? I don't think Ethan even heard me say that. Ethan doesn't
If you
hear
want
you,
to go in
Aaron.
on a long.
Ethan doesn't hear you. There's no one to save you, Aaron.
Wait, sorry, what'd you say? I'm back.
Nothing.
Nah,
No.
nah,
Aaron said.
Aaron.
Aaron said. Ethan, I said I was a student of yours, and they laughed at me, bro.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah, yesterday, cause yesterday, I mean, Aaron's like, he trades based on vibes and no model, right? So yeah, so
Is
Jason,
it Aaron St. Clair?
yeah, Aaron Sinclair. So
Okay.
so Jason and I were just cooking him, and then he's like, I'm a student of Ethan, and then we're like, yeah, there's no way you're a student of Ethan, and if you are, you're on the, you're definitely not an honor student, bro.
Yeah, that is crazy. You guys are so rude. Y'all are rude.
And then I was like, Jason, is he your student? He's like, I ain't gonna claim him.
Yeah, Jason was savage. That was crazy.
Yeah. Tried to learn trading. Followed Ethan's YouTube to Discord, then joined through live alert. Thanks, saving to subscribe. Thanks, Johnson. Oh yeah, I think there's everything you really need. If not on just Ethan's channel, but also on just on YouTube in general. Love the community. Thank you, brother.
Every time you guys say that, everyone in this mentorship is like, then what I joined this for?
Now we built a community.
Yes, sir.
Worth it.
Brick by brick.
Thumbs up on the stream?
Thumbs up in the chat. Hearts in the chat, y'all. Yeah, I had too much coffee. I'm like so jittery right now. I'm tweaking out.
Yeah, low-key me too, but I only had like a few sips.
Oh, what? Did you literally have like matcha like last night? like to bed.
Yeah, I
pretty
did. Yeah.
much. You should be immune, bro. What do you mean?
Maybe that's why I have horrible sleep.
Oh, that's very possible.
That's why I took the short earlier,
Maybe.
bro.
Oh my goodness. That's gotta be it.
Do you guys still think this is going lower? Because I don't even know what to think anymore. I'm honestly low-key kind of bullish, but this daily candle is bothering me.
It's just straight up both sides, and the daily candle is bothering me too.
I think it's hitting it today or early next week. But
Like
Maybe
this
if
could
Elon
be.
Put in the
crashed
swings.
out a
Put in
little
the
bit more.
swings.
yeah, 4 hour, 1 hour.
Wait, can we create the SMT and then crash out though?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can go a little higher to go lower. Yeah, it's okay.
And then we just keep putting in orders.
Yeah.
Yes. I like that idea. Now we're thinking. Now we're thinking with our heads.
I really do.
Yeah.
My call is everything. All the closes past the previous 90-minute, and then it tried to displace lower, and then it failed to displace lower right now. So NQ's gonna take the high, and then that'll create the 5-minute SMT, and then we're going lower.
You called it.
I don't know.
Aaron said we are going
Confirm.
higher at 10:50. Aaron signal. We're already going higher, man. You already missed it.
Aaron, this is the time to go higher if you want to scalp it.
Aaron, you should have said 10:30, not 10:50.
Yeah, if you were just following order flow, you should have like went in like a while ago.
This is it, Aaron. This is your call, your model.
This is it.
Yeah.
He's a student of mine. Don't doubt him.
All right, Ethan. Aaron's a representative of Ethan's mentorship.
Oh,
Yeah, wait,
I
guys.
think I gotta retire. I'm retiring.
He's still claiming. He's still claiming. Aaron's in, guys. He's in. He's in.
I mean, not bad, honestly.
Yeah, I could see it going to the
To the
Nice.
At
moon.
least to the highs.
To the moon,
yeah.
bro.
to
To
the
the
eight
moon.
the
To the moon.
860 high.
Aaron, I'll
Yeah.
put a magnet for you. There you go.
I
I'll put the
I
magnet
definitely
back.
could see that trade happening.
There you go.
I'm kind of betting on it to then
Yo,
go
Elijah,
short.
can you log into my Top Step and trade for me?
No, I'm good.
I
Can you
need
log
to
into my Top
drive. I have like a 2-hour drive, bro.
Bro, driving or trading on a Friday NFP, that is completely against our bias. I'd rather choose the latter.
Yeah, like Fridays suck in general. We have no bias, and like NFC played
I'd
out.
rather choose the latter.
No, I gotta sit here, bro. I can't miss this opportunity.
It's past 10:30.
Yeah, bro. No.
Everything's in our favor.
Yes.
Yeah, what if there's a PM session trade, bro?
I think it is. No, it's right now. It's happening now.
If I leave right now, I'll make it back just in time for the PM session trade.
Oh wait, you're right. Wait, but what if it creates a 5-minute SMT right now?
What is that magnet on your screen?
The bigger, the better.
The Aaron magnet.
Oh,
I don't
no,
know if
who's
you
in
guys
here?
remember me talking about this in the mentorship, but remember when I said try not to trade against displacements, and that's exactly what we're trying to do right now.
Yeah, but we didn't know about no wick at the time.
But also the framework is just bullish again now, like mechanically,
Yeah, it
systematically
totally
wise.
is.
It's just bullish again.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you're eating, bro. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm locking myself out. I can't do this. I'm just gonna close out the week like this. I'm fine. I'm locked out.
Yeah, I'm
Are
just
you
gonna
fine, though?
close out the week with
I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Wait, what if there's a 50-yard trade though?
Let me use my
Ten.
old
I'm sure there will
work
be.
email and tell Elon to crash out one more time.
I'm just gonna close myself out. I'm gonna just put in 10 cons long right now.
You
and
email
then-
him, it's like, oh, I remember you. You like every single one of my tweets. Okay, I actually gotta head out here, but good luck trading, everyone.
Scaled into more cons.
That's
I'm
fun
fearless,
driving.
boys. Oh. Okay. Okay. Drive safe, Ethan. Trade safe,
See you,
Aaron.
man.
Yeah. All right. Take care. Take care. Peace. Peace.
Peace.
Have a great
Look,
weekend.
yeah. See you then. I don't know. It's looking promising for you, Aaron. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you got it, bro.
I'm only in 10 cons long, so yeah.
Just a little scalp.
I wouldn't go any higher than those. That 945 high. Yeah.
Yeah, he's about to get a Lambo, bro. All right.
And unless it displaces higher once it gets past that, I would take profits right there.
Yeah, right here. It's just this.
Yo, we got shipwrecked back in here.
Pizza's here. You guys are still here.
Yeah, nothing's
Oh yeah,
happened.
Yeah. We're kind of
Okay,
just
we
memeing
Skype-
now at this point.
Yeah.
We Skype him with 10 cons. No biggie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sandra, I know you're in. I know you're in long.
Some pocket
Already
Uh-oh.
in out in seconds.
Uh-oh, Aaron. Uh-oh, Rag. Yo, Rag, why are you saying we in this? Who is we?
It's just you.
Yeah, we is just you and Aaron, bro. That's not we.
I want it to work out for you guys, though.
Jason's in this? Alright. Then I hope y'all eat, bro.
Oh.
He's probably saying TP up here, right? I say TP.
I could totally see it. I mean, that's what we need too.
Yeah, that's what we want to see too. Do. Aaron, I hope your stop loss isn't super tight. Thanks, Ethan. Wait, Johnson, I have a link to Ethan's private mentorship if you want to throw an application. Give me a sec. There you go. He's not really taking in a wave of students right now, but he will go through your application, and then when he does take in a wave, he'll let you know. Shoot you a message. I scaled in to cover my losses. Aaron Waddle is undefeated.
To this dude.
Scaled in to cover my losses, aka revenge.
Yeah.
Revenge trading right now as a
No,
model. Let's go.
no, Jake, you can't call it that. It's the Aaron model. No, don't say that. It's the
Aaron
Aaron.
model seems to be trolling.
Undefeated Aaron model.
Undefeated.
Wait, no, it's the Martin. What is it? The Martingale strategy or whatever. When
that-
you risk double.
Oh, you just keep doubling.
Gambling, but keep doubling.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just keep doubling. If you have infinite capital, not a bad idea. And if it is also 50-50.
I guess so. But you don't know your max loss, so then you're just like, you need a lot of capital then.
Yeah. And it's actually probably not 50-50. So.
Yeah. Would 50-50 work? Keith knows the statistics.
No.
Really?
Yeah. I think it has to.
And
You
you
have
keep
to have an
doubling?
edge no matter what. Yeah.
You guys, I'm gonna tell you this. Before you move on in your trading career, you have to go to the end of this one.
Wait, if you have 50-50 odds and you keep doubling it every single time you lose?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's
And
your
just-
expected value?
And you just leave the first time you
Zero.
win?
Dude, Jay got the answer. Your expected value is 0. So it doesn't work? No, it's 0.
Okay.
Because you're also losing double. That's why.
Well, I mean, regardless of what you bet, your expected value is 0. You're just increasing variance.
basically you're trying to just beat the statistics, and so that doesn't work.
That never works.
I see.
You can't come out ahead with 0 EV. You can only break even.
I see. Well, you guys heard it here first.
Not first.
What's
Definitely not first.
Not even remotely first. There's an entire branch of mathematics called game theory.
You think Aaron knows game theory?
Aaron's secret crusher, and he's just trolling y'all for no reason.
Yeah, he's
Well, we
eating,
didn't
bro.
say. We didn't
Aaron's secretly
say.
profitable. He's
Actually, if your win was double though, then it would be. But if the win was 1-to-1, then
If
no.
your win was so what happens is this is also mathematically true. If you know your win rate and your variance, you can know your optimal bet size. And if you bet double your optimal bet size from your bankroll, you're guaranteed 100% to go broke.
Oh,
That's such a cool
E-
one to know.
That's fine.
even with plus EV, you're guaranteed to go broke.
interesting.
It's an incredible thing to. Yeah, you can lose your edge based off of how much you bet.
No, your edge never goes away. You still have an edge. You're just guaranteed to go broke. Your bankroll crosses the zero threshold. Your edge doesn't go
Oh,
away.
you have to
Your
be.
bankroll just goes to
So
zero.
you're saying? Oh, go on. Sorry, I keep cutting you off.
I was just saying that. Well, so imagine that the model is that you know your edge, you know the variance. So we'd use a coin flip for this example, and then you bet optimally off your bankroll. There's an optimal bet size, and then instead of the optimal bet size,
Later,
you
Take
bet
care.
2 times the optimal bet size.
See ya tomorrow, maybe.
Or-
Oh, wait, sorry, Monday.
Guaranteed
Peace.
to eventually cross the zero
Thanks for
threshold.
popping by.
In other words, go broke.
So you have to be given what your bankroll is. So your edge plays out if you have infinite money, but since you don't, if you bet double, it crosses you get to 0.
Correct.
Yep, gotcha. That's a really good one to know.
It just basically says don't bet too much, is what it says.
So, yeah, I guess, hypothetically, it's like if you have infinite bankroll, but no one has infinite bankroll, so.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Aaron says, I don't know why y'all think I'm trolling. I haven't said one joke. I scaled in double my size and pushed my stop loss break even on the first set. All right.
Yeah, that's a troll.
That's
There you go.
yeah, that's true. I mean, that was kind of expected. Everyone in this call expected that. Unfortunately. Wait, but it's going up again.
You got. Let's see. Why is it going up? You got the 5-minute IFVG from a 50-minute or 50% of the previous
Yeah, there's a gap.
90.
Suspecting the 5-minute gap.
I think NQ. I'm betting on NQ being the one to take the highs, but
Yeah, YM's not going to do it for you.
yeah.
YM's lazy. Everybody knows.
Good for nothing YM.
Stupid old YM.
Inverted
YM.
precision gap. Interesting.
It's going higher. Market says higher. Everything says higher.
1 minute SMT and lows. Oh.
Problem is, higher is still only like 30-something points above where it currently is.
Yes. Maybe YM's front running, hopefully. And then NQ creates SMT. We shall see.
Yeah.
That'd be interesting.
Ooh. Does it even need the 5-minute?
Wait, I need the 5-minute though.
Yeah.
What up, Price? Chill.
Yeah, because we don't have 15. If I had a strong 15 and like a 15-minute precision or something, I could jump to the 1, maybe. And then confirm it with a 5-minute change in state.
Alright, it's 11. People know what we're looking for, but it might not happen today or just PM session or early next week. Pretty Friday of today. I'll catch you guys later.
Yeah.
Bye, stream. Everyone say bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Aaron says, done for the day. The markets are hating on me. Hating on me, down 300.
All good.
Alright. Peace. Yeah, let's get the call today.